Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to style your photo using ChatGPT. Are you ready? So let's get started. First, you should log in into ChatGPT, okay? And then on the left side here, we have different options: new chat, search chat, project, codecs, and more. Click on more, and here you have to choose image. Okay, click on that. And here also we can describe image to generate the new image. If you want to style your own image, click here. Okay, you click here or click here, and yeah, if you want to remove background, if you want to have ball cat, if you want to create a cartoon, and you can do many things. So if you want to do more, click here, and for example, style me. Click here and choose your image. For example, I'm going to choose image of Donald Trump, and it will be generated automatically. See how it looks like. ChatGPT is very powerful and I like it. I use ChatGPT for writing emails, generate image, and many things. As you can see, the output is ready. No, it looks actually not very good. And the cravat has been changed, the color, as you can see. And yeah, that's it guys. Hope you like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you next video.